it comes to Twingate, a zero-trust network access solution focused on secure, scalable remote access to resources without using a traditional VPN. So this is basically not a traditional VPN, which gives it some strengths, of course, as well as some weaknesses. We're going to start with the strengths. Now, what this is it's a zero-trust model focusing on providing at least privileged access based on user identity. It's really easy to deploy and just put on and just put IT to manage and just for teams to manage this VPN in general. It's great on the cloud and it's optimized for speed and direct connections when possible. Now, direct connections, if you are going for direct connections, you should probably use zero tier, but if you are going for speed, you should definitely use tailscale because it's just one of the faster VPNs in general. When it comes to limitations, it does cost a pretty penny. Depending on your corporation or if you're using it for individuals, it can cost quite slightly different amounts. And it might not be as dependable when it comes to management, like managing on costals and setup. So if you're going to use setup, if you want an easy setup, I just recommend using tailscale. It's the easiest to set up overall. But my final thoughts are choose tailscale if you need simple, lightweight, and fast ways to connect devices securely. Choose zero tier if you require advanced networking features like layer 2 capabilities. And select Twingate if you're focused enterprise gate, zero trust remote access with strict security policies. Now, those are my final thoughts, and here's a table on screen that I've actually created and done some research on if you are looking at the certain specs on it. But yeah, overall, I'd recommend just going through this table and deciding which one is the best VPN for you. But yeah, without further ado, that's the video.